Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your ZTE Nubia N1 Lite, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, but right now I'm going to delete this application and we are going to back to our default launcher. Okay, and also we have to delete the control center, and right now I'm going to show you how to get it, how to download and install. It's very easy, but as you can see it looks really cool. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type here iOS launcher. Click here, tap on the install, and right now just wait a little bit. Click on the open. Tap all a few times and go for the control center. Turn off this ad, tap on the OK. Click install. Click open. And right now slide 2 times with your finger and click on the home button. Select iOS Launcher 13, click on the Always. And right now we are with our iOS Launcher. To activate the control center, slide from the right side of your screen, click OK, accept the request and do it the same. And as you can see right now it is working, so I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.